media, hindi lang sa TV screens or sa movie
Masaya ako,
screens.
guys! Hello!
Memories, dun sa mga napanood mo, ano lighter nun? Alin dun yung parang nagulat ka, yung nakalimutan mo ng ginawa mo, ganyan.
Ano, yung OMG? Kasi naalala ko yung ano ko, yung mga eksena ko doon. Kapitbahay ako ni Janela. Tapos nagtitinda ako ng mga isaw, ganyan. Tapos kabadong-kabado pa ako sa mga lines ko kahit pa isa-isa lang. Tapos naalala ko doon ko kasi na-experience yung first ko. Yun yung first ever teleserye na mahaba yung role ko. So, ang dami kong na-experience, ang dami kong na-absorb. Yun yung show talaga na masabi ko na nag-grow talaga ako doon.
Eh ano naman dun sa napanood mo yung pinaka-proud ka?
Pinaka-proud? I would say yung Irene Chu. Kasi yun talaga yung nag-open ng doors sa akin. Ngayon, parang endless pa rin yung blessings and thankful ako sa universe na patuloy pa rin yung blessings. And unexpected siya.
Lahat kami talaga sobrang swept away dun sa napanood namin sa iyo as Irene Tew sa Can't Buy Me Love. Sobrang breath of fresh air dun sa buong series and sobrang enjoy kami panoorin kayo ni Snoop or Anthony Jennings. Yes.
Natuwa naman din kami habang ginagawa yun kasi wala expectation. So kami, laruin natin yung eksena. So kami ni Anthony, hindi mo gawin mo, ito gawin natin. So mga nagko-collab kami. So, para mag-work yung eksena. Kasi no pressure naman kasi sa amin. Tuwa naman ako, thankful ako sa directors ng Can't Buy Me Love na hinahayaan nila kami maggawa ng eksena.
Ramdam namin, habang nanonood, ramdam namin yung saya nyo, yung pagka-natural nyo, yung chemistry nyo, ibang-iba talaga. But enough questions from me dahil Maris, ang daming mga gustong magtanong sa'yo. So, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go with our first set of questions. It will be coming from Wilson Riquiza from Kapamilya On Demand. Na ako pala yung magbabasa. So, sa akin din ba? Saan ka natitingin? Okay. So, you recently starred in the movie Marupok AF.
Yes.
Can you tell us about your experience working on that film and what drew you to that particular role?
Well, for context, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, Marupok AF is heavily based on real events. I don't know if you can remember the Twitter thread that got very viral in the early days of pandemic, yung catfishing thread. So, ayun, naging movie siya. And upon knowing na ako ang magpa-play ng character, nagulat ako, as in like, pressure talaga, because it's real. These are real people. So, I made sure na may consent, may green light from the real people. So, ayun, with making the film, na-challenge ako kasi before Irene Chu, Beanie was the first complex character that I portrayed. Sobrang complex niya, charming siya, but she has very dark intentions towards people. So, ayun, dun ako na-challenge. So, I really prepared. So, nanonood ako ng mga films na kind of like that, para just to get in the zone.
Interesting. At saka ngayon, showing siya, guys.
Yeah,
so,
showing siya ngayon sa Ayala Mall Cinemas. So I hope you support it and watch it.
ang dami nga nagko-comment, nababasa ko kanina kasi nga-livestream tayo. Sabi nila, bukas manonood kami with my family.
Oh,
mga ganon.
thank you guys.
And second part ng kanyang question ay, do you have any dream directors or actors you would love to collaborate with?
Naku, ang dami. Well, siguro ako, makagawa ng pelikula with Derek Aki. Doon nagka-work na kami sa Can't Buy Me Love. Kasi nag-direct din siya doon for a time. Pero gusto ko talaga, dream ko talaga makagawa ng pelikula with her. And direct Eric Mati. Ayun. Sa actors, our actresses naman is Jody Santa Maria. And Nadine Lustre. Who else? Dami pa. Naku, may mga mahabang listahan ako.
But let's expound on that. Bakit sila yung pinili mo, Jody and Nadine?
Because they're very good actresses. As in, I love how they act because it's real, it's it's not forced, it's from the heart. The impulses, totoo. So like, there's no acting talaga.
Yun yung mga gusto mong katrabaho.
Oo. Para ma-observe ko din sila at matutunan ko kung paano sila
For ano rin, betterment ng craft.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Now let's go to our next friend from the media. Okay. Candice Go from Push.
Hello. How was your experience portraying a lead role? Pero isn't really the protagonist but more of the contributor?
To be honest, nako-confuse ako sa feeling. Kasi if it's fiction, masaya. Masaya. Like, na-enjoy ko siya. But, we're dealing with real events kasi, so, ang gray area doon is like, I'm happy naman na natutuwa sila sa character ko, but ang gusto kong i-sympathize nila talaga ay ang victim, which is the character of EJ Halyarina. And nung pinartray ko si Bini, kinalimutan ko rin yung, sineparate ko yung real eh. Ginawa kong, tinread ko yung script as fiction so that I don't judge the character, so that parang tatanggapin ko yung character na buo para maging tao siya at mapasok ko siya sa sistema ko. So, yun.
Okay. How important do you think this movie is with regards to LGBTQIA+ visibility and treatment and discrimination?
Oh, this movie is very important kasi it tackles real issues, which is one of the issues na face ng ating LGBTQIA+ community ay transphobia. It's real and maraming nabubuli araw-araw for just being them. And we don't know that kasi wala naman tayo sa sapatos nila eh. But totoo yung nararamdaman nila. And with this movie, sana ma-enlighten ng maraming tao na to be kinder to other people, especially to our LGBTQIA+ community and the trans people.
Kamusta yung OBAR experience?
Ang saya ng over experience ko. Alam mo ba, dream ko yun. Like, fantasy ko yun. The real world is fantasy. Kasi may mga nights talaga na perform sa OBAR talaga. Tapos gusto ko full production. Tapos gano'n. Tapos ayun, nag-isip ako kasi since it's Pride Month and gusto ko magregalo sa community. Parang, pagpa-perform ako kahit walang bayad. Okay lang.
Yes, thank you. Aware kang parang naging icon ka na rin nila. Nako. May nagsasabi ba sa'yo? May lumalapit ba sa'yo?
May mga nagsasabi na nagtatitle, pero hindi ko pa deserve yun. Na kay Ate Angelica Panganiba ng Corona, guys. Wala sa akin. Pero enjoy ko yung company nila. Mahal ko sila. And I love how real they are. And unapologetic silang maging sila. With no filter. Ayun. That's why I love them.
Thank you for that question. Now, let's go to Jason Laluna from Certified Kapamilya over there. Hi, Jason.
Yes, congratulations sa endorsements.
Oh, wow, thank you. Salamat.
May linya kasi doon sa Marupok AF na medyo nakakatch ng attention ng mga likers na page natin. Yung, I know what I did, but I also don't know why I did that. What I did. So, in real life ba, may nangyari na bang sitwasyon sa buhay mo na nasabi mo na yun? Or kumbaga relatable?
Meron. May mga moments naman talaga na may yun, parang mariregret mo. Meron din. Mapapatanong din. Ikaw din naman.
Yes. Tapos, may project kayo with Director Jason Laksamana.
Yes.
May idea na ba kayo kung ano yung characters na i-portray mo?
Meron na. But,
Yes.
yeah, sorry, what?
Yes, ito yung question. how different and how similar are those characters with Snorri?
Oh, wow.
Without spoiling anything.
Without spoiling anything, di ako masasabi ko lang iba. Magkaiba sila. Yun lang. First secret lang muna lahat.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jason. Now, let's go to our next question from Samantha Prats of Push. Andiyan na ba siya? Okay, dito na tayo sa next. Si Jeff Perdon from Kapamilya Online World.
Hey Maris, congratulations.
Hello.
Tabi-kabi lang yung projects mo ngayon and yung endorsement.
Opo.
Paano mo na ma-manage yung time between career and personal life? And also, paano mo na ma-manage yung time between your on-screen partner and your real-life partner?
Ano ba? Yun nga din yung tanong ko eh. Paano ko ba na-manage? Well, ngayon, ano ba yung unang tanong? Parang dalawa kasi siya.
Between career and love life.
Career and love life. Okay naman. Namamanage naman ng maayos. Ayun.
Between on-screen partner and your
On-screen
real-life
partner and well, sa amin naman kasi ni Anthony, work is work talaga. And pag uwi ng bahay, you go back to your real selves. Ganun naman yung cycle ng buhay as an artist. So yeah.
Thank you.
Dapat masaya ka lang sa ginagawa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Would you like to go to the next question? Okay. Let's go to Nikki Wang from Manila Standard. Hi, Nikki.
Hi! Hey Maris, congratulations sa yung bagong project. Kanina dun sa video na pinakita, one of the lines that nag-stuck sa akin yun, binubura mo ko sa sarili kong kwento. Now, applying that to your personal life, how do you ensure that you're still the main character in your own story?
To ensure that you're always the main character. Here's the thing, you're not always going to be the main character of your story. Hindi siya dapat ganun tingnan. There are times na mag-give way ka for other people. There are times na bigay mo naman sa sarili mo. It's a balance of the two. And siguro ang tamang i-apply sa buhay ay kung masaya ka sa choices mo. And kung masaya ka sa choices mo, magiging magaan yung life.
Are you happy with your choices in life?
Ish. Happy naman.
Now, I would like to piggyback on the title of your film, Marupok AF. Marupok ba si Maris Racal? If so, gaano ang karupok?
Marupok AF. Marupok ako in the sense na yung when I was young, marupok talaga ako. Ngayon, I think mas head-on na ako sa life kasi sa hard on my sleeve. Parang mas mature ako ngayon, I would say. But, hindi pa rin naman talaga mawawala yung karupukan. Kasi, they say that the mind or the brain is the most powerful organ in your body, but sometimes it's the heart.
Thank you. And for my last question, yung partnership niyo ni Anthony, yun nga, nagkaroon kayo ng endorsement and all. And until now, you still have a lot of following online. Where do you see your partnership going in the next few years?
Oh, kami ni Anthony, ang grabe yung mga pangarap natin. Like, sana after the movie na gawin namin, magbunga pa. Kasi we have that special, that rapport na hindi ko ma-mimic with other people. So, masarap siya katrabaho, kabanter, masarap siya ka-eksena. So, sana, alam mo yun, yung makagawa kami ng mga films na in like 50 years, people would look back and then isa yun sa mga top 3s nila or top 5. Gano'n.
Classic,
Thank you.
gano'n.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. You
Thank
look so
you.
great today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikki Wan. And now let's have Miss Janice from Bulgar.
Ay, Marias, looking good.
Thank
Parang
you.
naingit ako sa hair mo. Ang ganda. Pero ano ba yan? Totoong buhok? Or...
Ano lang to, layers lang.
Oh.
Tapos, extension.
Oh, kala ko naman may pinagdadaanan ka. Kaya ganyan.
Wala po.
Wala naman. Oo, kasi alam mo naman sa showbiz, di ba pag nagbago ka ng hairstyle, iisipin nila may pinagdadaanan.
Hindi, may bagong movie lang napanood. Kaya,
Iba yun. Oo. Pero kasi Maris, yung love team niya ni Anthony talagang nag-click, di ba? Sa Bunny Love. So, I just wanna know, paano ka sinusupport ng iyong real-life boyfriend na si Rico Blanco doon sa success mo ngayon, sa success ng love team niyo ni Anthony? Hindi ba siya nagsiselos? Kasi kung ako yung boyfriend, parang sa sobrang click niyo, tatablan ako eh.
hindi sila sa sarili. Supportive siya.
So, okay lang ba sa kanya? Kasi balita magkakaroon kayo ng next project ni
Yeah.
Anthony.
Supportive siya sa next project.
Ano nang development doon? Kailan na mag-push through ba siya?
Magsa-start na po kami soon. Ngayon lang, ready lang yung table readings, yung workshops, and po.
So, parang ito yung highlight talaga ng career mo, Marias, dahil ang daming nagkagusto dun sa role mo. So, parang talagang ngayon yung year mo, di ba? So, at this point of your life ba, anong mga priorities mo, Marias? Career or personal life? Kasi medyo matagal na rin kayo ni Rico. What if at the height of your career, bigla kang alukin? Uso pa naman yung mga marriage proposal.
Focus lang po ako sa career.
So, mas priority mo pa rin yung career. Pero do you see yourself ending with Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, but sorry. Nagiging emotional ka. Sorry. Would you like to say something?
Can we request for tissue paper, please? Thank you. Yes, I will. Let's have some. There.
I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Ang dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of smiling and nodding.